Welcome to our channel. Today we how to backup EC2 instances with EBS snapshots across regions, detailed guide step by step clearly. To backup EC2 instances using EBS snapshots across regions, start by logging into your AWS Management Console. Navigate to the EC2 dashboard. Identify and select the instance you wish to backup. Note the instance's availability zone. Next, find the Elastic Block Store option in the left sidebar. Click on the volumes link to view the attached volumes. Locate the EBS volume connected to your selected instance. Select the EBS volume for which you want to create a snapshot. Click on the Actions drop-down menu. Choose the Create Snapshot option. In the snapshot creation window, provide a name and description for the snapshot. Confirm by clicking on the Create Snapshot button. Navigate to the Snapshots section on the left sidebar. After a few moments, check to see that your snapshot is in the pending state. Once the status changes to completed, your snapshot is now ready. To copy the snapshot to another region, select it from the list. Open the Actions drop-down menu again. Choose the Copy option. Select the destination region from the drop-down menu. Provide a name and description for the copied snapshot. Click on the Copy Snapshot button to initiate the process. Monitor the status of the snapshot copy in the destination region. Once the copy status shows completed, it is safe to use. To create a new volume from the copied snapshot, navigate to the Destination Region Snapshots section. Select the copied snapshot. Click on the Actions button and select Create Volume. Configure the volume settings such as size, type, and availability zone. Finally, click on the Create Volume button to finalize the process. Your EC2 instance's backup is now available in a different region via an EBS snapshot. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.